1 week later.
Last time you guys remember what happened to me with these bees? I'm armed today. I'm ready for them. Follow me. They're gone. They're up. Right over here. Oh, right there.
Oh man, look at all them. Ooh-wee. Ooh, they flying up here. Okay, gotta go.
I can feel them on me.
Are they biting you?
Not yet.
Ooh, there's a bunch of them on you. Oh, wait, look at that. Look at all them yellow jackets.
They're all over me.
Get him, get him, get him. Ooh, wee. Look at all that. Ooh.
They're coming from everywhere.
Okay, I'm coming up. No, I don't see any. I don't see any. Oh, there, let me see. Turn around. No, that ain't one. All right, what you got to say?
I got them, mother flowers. I got them. Woo! There's a mess of them.
They still flying around, huh? You want to use the fogger?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
This is revenge.
Now, is that stuff gonna kill him?
Yeah.
Was you spraying?
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out why they still flying around.
Shovel. Make sure you all get.
You poured the stuff in there?
Let me try see if I can zoom in on it.
Hold on.
Oh wow, that's a big one.
One, two.
They're not in there?
I don't care.
Anything in there?
I don't care.
No, I'm trying to zoom in on the nest. I know you don't care because you got the suit on, but I'm trying to zoom in.
Those are the honeycomb.
Oh wow. Did you kill the queen?
I don't care.
You need to tie your shoestring up.
I came. One more camp. I came and I conquered.
He was serious about revenge. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's some still flying around there. Yeah, because I still see them flying around.
Yeah.
He came and he conquered.
Wasn't gonna let you get the best of me, goddammit. Until the next episode.
Flashback. End of flashback.